We are looking at that. Tell me, what do you think of the transplant?
Oh, I think it's great. It's come back in full, and it's everything that I expected and more. So yeah.
When did they... This is Dan. 11 months ago, he had a hair transplant with us for the crown.
Yep.
He's 48 years old, and I'm just going to show you what he looked like before. You can see the crown, which is the hair loss here in the crown.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you can turn around, let's have a look at the crown.
Sure.
And you can take a photo there. You can see he has done extremely well. So then, while we are looking at that, tell me, what do you think of the transplant?
Oh, I think it's great. It's come back in full, and it's everything that I expected and more. So yeah.
When did the hair regrowth start?
I would say probably around the 5-month mark,
Okay.
give or take.
And now it's the 11-month mark, right?
Correct.
And you had comments from other people, maybe yes, maybe no.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, the wife
Yes.
and kids have certainly said stuff, and even
Right.
colleagues of mine. So I highly recommend. If anybody's considering it, to do it. It was a big decision, but it definitely paid off in the end. So thank you for that.
Yeah, and so for anybody on the fence, I mean, I think crown does bother a lot of people.
Yeah, absolutely.
What would be your suggestion?
Do your homework, and then definitely, take the plunge. I think inevitably people are afraid of, the procedure itself, the consequences, is it going to stick or not, and once you've done your homework, I mean, I think I'm a testimonial of it actually working, right? So,
And
yeah.
just so that everybody knows, this was the FUE, follicular unit excision. So it was not the strip method, it was a new method, and he has done extremely well. As you can see, there's no hair loss to be seen. Okay, just turn on.